here on the Mazda stand at Brussels Motor Show 2025, and we've got the world premiere, or European premiere of the Mazda 6e, which I didn't see coming. I didn't even have it on my 2025 list of stuff that's coming down the line in electric from all the different brands. So great to see it. I think it's stylized lovely. It's in collaboration with a Chinese brand, and they have that closed off front grille and that design, light design with that daytime running light, some brushed silver down at the bottom and some aero. A drag coefficient of 0.24, I think it is. I've got some stats, let me pull them out. Going to come with two battery sizes, a 68.8 kilowatt hour battery or an 80 kilowatt hour battery. The 68.8 version will have a 482 kilometers or 300 mile range and a 200 DC charging, and it charges 10 to 80% in just 22 minutes. And then moving down along the side, super aero, and then you've got some gorgeous, look at this rear end, oh my goodness. When we were growing up we had Mazda 626 and this is nothing like that. The range of the smaller battery will be 233 kilometers or 145 miles. Sorry, meaning that a range of 233 kilometers or 145 miles can be added in 15 minutes. The range that you're going to get is 482 kilometers or 300 miles on that smaller battery. The electric motor delivers a 258 PS 0 to 100 in 7.6 seconds. If you want longer range, you can get an 80 kilowatt hour version, which will give you 555 kilometers or 345 miles. And that will give you 244 PS 0 to 100 in 7.8 seconds. Both versions produce a torque of 320 Newton meters, rear wheel drive layout, and the longer, bigger battery will do 10 to 80% in 45 minutes. It's a slightly slower charging speed. 19-inch wheels. Interior is based on that Japanese Ma concept, apologies. It's got a pano sunroof. It's got a 14.6-inch central display. Let's see if we can get around there. Pop-out door handles. Look at this rear, it's absolutely stunning. Mazda up on top there, and then 6e down here. Very nice. This has got that tan two-tone with that large screen head-up display as well. Some beautiful design inside it. And it's got that floating console inside in it as well. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit here. There you go. Leather, Napa leather. What do you think of the Mazda 6e European premiere with that flat bottom steering wheel as well? I love that silver, that's the bottom of the window, top of the door, and it goes out and just gets thick around the back of the C pillar there. I think it looks great. Really good. Real Mazda. That Mazda red is always a winner as well. Frameless doors. So that is the Mazda 6e. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.